Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a real life mic comparison video of the BoAt Airdopes 201 and the Redmi Earbuds S. So we'll be using both of them in real life scenarios. Now because of the corona situation, I can't go into crowded situations. So I'll be doing this test in my colony itself. We have a cycling path, so I'll be cycling over there and then you will be seeing how the sound is going to be. Actually hearing how the sound is going to be. Now, I've actually done individual videos, which you will actually see the links to in the description, so you can see that. Now, both of them combined together is this video where I've actually done the comparison. So let's go ahead, see both the videos, and then talk about which one is going to be better. So all the sound that you're hearing is actually from this earbud. So let me just show you how the sound is going to be. So that's the sound. Now you realize there's a lot of wind sound coming because the mic is actually right in front over here. So it catches a lot of the wind, but you can still hear me. So sound wise, even though there is a little bit of wind coming, there's no wind noise reduction built into it. It still is audible. Okay, so now since this is actually protruding out and actually catching a lot of wind, so you will get, I expect it to actually get a lot of wind sound because there will be a lot of ruffling and rubbing sound from the wind that will come through. So let's hope it's going to be clear enough for you to actually hear me. So let's increase the speed. Wind sound you will get. And that's how much you'll be able to hear. Now, it's fairly clear here with but once we go home and test it, only then we'll know how good the sound was. So, let's go to the studio and see how good or bad the sound was. Okay, so you've seen both the videos, you've actually heard both the sounds. Now, this is my personal preference. I'll be telling you what I liked about it, or which one I liked better. But you've seen the video, you can decide for yourself which one is better for you. So now, let's talk about the Redmi Earbud S. Now, the Redmi Earbud S is focused more onto the vocals. So it will hear more of your sound. Wind sound was not a big issue with it. It was an issue, but you were still able to slightly hear me. Now, with the BoAt Airdopes 201, because of the design, because the mic is actually protruding out, the entire device is protruding out. The wind sound was a big problem. So if you're cycling and stuff and you're using this, people will not be able to hear you because of the wind sound. So that's what you have to remember. Now let's talk about the sound itself. Now the BoAt sounds more bassy, more fuller. So that means that it's going to take a lot of the wind sound because of that. Now the Redmi earbud is actually more into the trebly side, focusing more on the vocal, so it does not get much of the background sound. So it actually manages to bring the background sound low and then keep the entire sound constant. So if you're actually looking for something where you want to take calls and you have to be really audible, then I would suggest go for the Redmi Earbud S. But personally, I like the fuller sound of the BoAt Airdopes 201. Even though this is the Redmi earbud is actually a little better than this in the mic sound department, but then it comes down to personal preference. If it was me, if I want to listen to music and listen to or talk to someone, I would prefer the BoAt more than this, even though this is better. So that's personal preference. So that's it for this video. If you have any further questions, if you want any assistance with anything, do comment and I will reply back to that. My information is available in the description, and in the end of the video you will find my information there. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.